Hello students, you all are welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to measure angles using a protractor. So let's see how it's done. Measuring angles. We use protractor to measure the angles. Here you can see an angle AOB. I'm going to measure that. So OA and OB are arms of the angle and O is the vertex. I'm going to measure the magnitude of the angle AOB. Magnitude of angle AOB. Let's see how to measure that. So, place your protractor that the origin point and the baseline coincide with the vertex O and the arm OA, like this. So that origin point and the baseline is coincide with vertex O and the arm OA. Then the arm OB coincides with the line indicated by 70 degrees in the inner scale. You can see here the OB coincides by the line indicated at 70 degrees. If I in the inner scale, if I count it 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So therefore the magnitude of the angle AOB is 70 degrees. Okay, that's how we measured that angle. Let's see a few more angles, how to measure those. We have another angle here, PQR. I am going to measure the magnitude of the angle PQR. So, the QR are arms of the angle and Q is the vertex of this angle. So, when you measure this magnitude of the angle, place the protractor that origin point and the baseline coincide with the Q vertex and the arm QR, like this. Then after, we can see the arm PQ coincide with the line indicated by 107 in the inner scale. If I count it 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 105, then 106 and 107. Therefore, the magnitude of the angle PQR is 107 degrees. Okay, I hope you understand that, and I'll take another example, then you will be able to understand this further. We have another angle here, XYZ. I'm going to measure the magnitude of angle XYZ. Here XY and YZ are arms of the angle and Y is the vertex of this angle. So I'm going to measure this. Place your protractor that the origin point and the baseline coincide with the vertex Y and the arm XY, like this. Then the arm ZY coincides with the line indicated by 120 in the outer scale. If I count it 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So in the outer scale. Therefore, the magnitude of the angle XYZ is 120 degrees. Okay, let's take another one. We have another angle here, ABC. So I am going to measure the magnitude of the angle ABC. Magnitude of angle ABC. Remember, the AB and BC are arms of the angle and B is the vertex of this angle. So, to measure this angle, place your protractor that origin point and the baseline coincide with the vertex B and the arm AB, like this. then you can see the arm BC is coincides with the line indicated by 75 degrees in the outer scale. If I count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 75. Therefore, the magnitude of the angle ABC is 75 degrees. Okay, I hope you understand them. Here you learned how to measure angles using a protractor. I hope this helped you and you enjoy the videos as well. On my next video, I'm going to teach you how to draw angles with the given magnitudes. Until that, you can join with my previous videos. I will drop all of those links in the down description. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also, hit that bell button, because if you do that, you'll be able to receive my future videos notifications. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.